I have seen so much of how social media has been increasingly tapped in disaster preparedness and response. The relevance of timely, even real-time information coming from the public, especially the affected population, should not be underestimated. When people start tweeting that heavy and continuous rainfall is happening in their locality, disaster managers must not take this for granted. When the crowd posts pictures of floods and landslides on Facebook, Twitter, or even Instagram, there better be some disaster manager monitoring that and getting these reports and responding immediately to these emergencies.
Maganda yung mga kakulangan sa aking kaalaman na natutulungan ko na maaari ko magamit para matulungan ko yung aking mga kababayan at mga kabarangay.
Kasi importante na lumawak yung kaalaman namin unang-una pagdating sa social media, kung gaano siya ka-importante at kung paano namin mapapalakas yung campaign namin, especially ito sa disaster preparedness.
So we ensure that na walang casualty sa atin.